If you've ever felt like you're using good skincare, but your skin just isn't responding the way that you expect, then this video will make a lot of sense to you. You're applying the serums, you're doing the steps, but the results, they just aren't showing up the way that they should. And here's the truth. Most of the time, it's not your products letting you down. It's your skin. So today, I'm showing you a short skin conditioning routine that I use on my 44-year-old face, the step that helps skin behave better, and why just a few minutes can completely change how hydrated, plump, and receptive your skin looks. Literally giving you a red carpet glow on the go. And before we get started, nope, there's no Botox, no surgery going on here, just a lot of dedication, a deep understanding of device technology and capabilities, and a carefully curated skincare stack that has wiped years off my appearance. And this device, it plays a massive role in this. This is the Laduora Lumeo, one of my favorite skin conditioning devices. Now, in controlled testing, it's been shown to increase topical product penetration by up to 836% compared to passive application alone. Yep, it literally ensures that you get maximum value out of every single drop of your expensive serums, actives, and topicals. I'll be demonstrating a full session with this one today, so you can see how my skin responds in real time and see just how easy this one is to use. This home use skin tightening and toning device, it takes elements of an upscale in-clinic facial, but it puts them into a format that actually fits real life, and one that more importantly respects your time. An entire session with this one, it takes just 3 minutes, and instead of relying on aggressive treatments or short-term fixes, it focuses on supporting skin function over time for skin that supports itself better than you ever thought it really could. And to understand why that matters, we need to talk about skin conditioning. Now, not the condition of your skin, but a power step to getting results that breathe life into your tired little face. Skin conditioning is about improving the environment of the skin so it can function properly. Conditioned skin essentially is skin that it holds hydration more effectively and it responds better to skincare while looking smoother and more even. And it appears calmer and healthier overall. Now, when skin isn't well conditioned, products, they sit on the surface, makeup, it doesn't wear as well, and the skin can just look dull or puffy. Now, if you've ever been told that you're looking tired, yeah, your skin is probably letting you down. And if you're not seeing results from your topical products, especially those that cost a small fortune, if you know, you know, then your skin is probably in need of deeper conditioning to get them to what their power. And this is exactly where the Lumeo comes in. Now, no matter the device you're using, there's one thing you always want to do, and that is start with a clean blank canvas. That means wash your face. And this part, it matters way more than most people realize. Dirty skin is a barrier to proper product penetration. And the Lumeo is an electroporation device that's designed to drive topicals in deep and fast. Now, when your skin is dry or unprepared, product is just going to sit on the surface, whereas conditioned skin absorbs things more evenly and it holds on to hydration way better. During the treatment, the Lumeo works this serum into the skin using its proprietary 4D current infusion technology. Now, it doesn't force the product in, it temporarily improves how receptive the skin is. It does this by creating temporary microchannels, very similar to the way that microneedling does, but without the needles. Skin often feels immediately more hydrated after a use with this. It's not because you used more product, it's because your skin is actually in a better state to receive it, so it soaks everything up like a sponge. As I'm using the device, and if you're following along at home, you'll notice the sensation stays very controlled. There's warmth, light pressure, and a gentle current, enough to stimulate the skin, but not enough to overwhelm it. Now, this is where that 836% increase in penetration really matters. You're not just applying skincare on top of the skin, you're improving the pathway into it, so actives distribute more evenly and work more efficiently. Now, balance is key here. Skin responds best to supportive stimulation rather than aggressive treatment, and that's why you can see changes without redness, without irritation, or without downtime. A huge win. Now, what's happening here isn't one technology switching on after another. Everything is working together at the same time in harmony. The visible red light at 630 nanometers supports collagen activity. Infrared light works deeper to support cellular energy. The 4D current infusion technology supports lifting, toning, and absorption, and the movement provides continuous facial massage, helping lymphatic fluid shift, especially from around the eyes, the cheeks, and the jawline. Now, As that fluid shifts, the face looks less puffy and more defined. The skin just isn't holding onto excess fluid anymore, and it leaves you looking polished without the pain. All of these effects are happening together, which is why changes can be visible even during the treatment. You're going to get improved product absorption, more consistent hydration throughout the skin, increased blood flow supporting oxygen and nutrient delivery at a cellular level, and a less puffy face. This is why the skin appears brighter, smoother, and more even rather than red and reactive. And importantly, these effects are cumulative. As skin is conditioned repeatedly, hydration levels stabilise, the barrier function improves, and cellular signalling, it becomes way more efficient. And that's why results don't just appear once, they build gradually with continued use. It's skin adapting to a healthier functional environment and responding more predictably over time. So, if you've ever felt like you're doing all of the right things with your skincare, but you're not seeing the results that you expect, then this realistically could be the missing piece of the puzzle. Skin conditioning, it isn't about adding more steps, it's about making the steps that you already take actually work for you. When skin is properly conditioned, it holds hydration so much better, it responds more predictably, and it absorbs what you apply way more efficiently. And these are all things that contribute to a healthier, fresher looking skin. With this device, you're not forcing change, you're improving the overall environment of the skin so it can do what it's designed to do. 3 minutes, no downtime, and no irritation. Because for me, at 44 years old, results always speak louder than claims, and boy does this deliver. And that's not just me saying this. Take a look at my other content covering the Laduora Lumeo, and you'll see hundreds of comments of people talking about how well this has worked for them, the changes that they've seen in their skin. I also get so many DMs and messages on Instagram, on the Buy Me a Coffee platform, from you guys who are actually pretty surprised that it works as well as it does. I mean, I don't know why you'd be surprised. If a device doesn't deliver, then I don't give it a platform. And if you're one of those people out there who's asked me, does microcurrent cause facial fat loss or can it melt facial fat? I'm going to link you up in the description box to a video that does a deep dive onto the science of devices like this and the microcurrent modality, and explain to you exactly why microcurrent is not capable of damaging facial fat, no matter what anyone tells you. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. Everything you need to know about the Laduora Lumeo is going to be linked up and pinned in the top comment. Any questions, as always, feel free to ask, and have a great day ahead of you. And I guess until next time, TJ over and out.